Hello guys, I finally received my SunSun UV filtration pump. This is model JUP-01. I will be making a review of this UV sterilization pump as well as the changes that occur in my tank when I use this particular filter. This filter has a 9-watt UV lamp and is rated 800 liters per hour. So this is the UV lamp that can be replaced easily. It also has a biochemical sponge inside to filter dirt from the tank. Here is a picture of my tank before, green and cloudy water. You cannot even see all the fish at the back of the aquarium. I made a 50% water change just before adding the filter. Here is how the tank looked like 24 hours after changing the water. Note that I haven't yet added the filtration pump. The water is still cloudy and very dirty. Here I am installing the filter. I have a 150 liters or about 40-gallon tank with koi fish. I will be running this UV filter together with a 300 liter per hour bio sponge filter. Next, you will see short videos of what happened to the tank from 1 hour up to 72 hours after adding the SunSun UV filter in my tank. This is 1 hour after installing the pump. 3 hours later, keep an eye on the red artificial flower at the back. This is 6 hours later. Here is 24 hours after installing the pump. Here you can see some visible changes. You can see some fish. You can even see the red and green artificial decorative flower on the back. This is 30 hours after installing the UV filter. Here is 48 hours after installing the filter. So 2 days after installing the filter, you can see it's much visible compared to the first video. And the last video 72 hours after installing the filter. And here is the difference it made in my aquarium from 0 to 72 hours later. So as you can see, I'm very much satisfied with this UV filter, and I will be keeping this UV filter in my aquarium for now. I hope this review helps. Thank you, and please subscribe.